Imagine a world without cars or trains. A world where the only way to travel was by foot or on the back of an animal. No highways, no railways, just endless paths stretching across the landscape. Imagine traveling by foot or animal, journeys that took days, weeks, or even months. This was the reality for people before the advent of modern transportation. This was the world before the Romans. The Romans changed everything. They built roads, not just any roads, but roads that would stand the test of time. These were not simple paths. These were engineering marvels. Constructed with precision and skill, they were designed to last for centuries. They were the veins and arteries of a vast empire. Stretching across mountains, valleys, and plains, they connected distant corners of the Roman world. The Roman road system was vast. It was an intricate network that facilitated movement and communication across the empire. It stretched over 400,000 kilometers, an impressive feat of engineering and organization. This network connected Spain to Syria. It allowed for the movement of goods, people, and ideas across vast distances. It linked Britain to North Africa. The roads were the lifeline of the empire, enabling trade and military expeditions. These roads were vital to Rome's success. They facilitated the movement of armies, ensuring the empire's dominance. They facilitated trade, communication, and military movement. Merchants, messengers, and soldiers all relied on these roads. They were the backbone of the Roman Empire. Every road led to Rome, the heart of the empire. The Roman roads were a symbol of power. They represented the reach and control of the Roman state. They showcased Roman engineering prowess. The meticulous planning and construction techniques were unparalleled. They were a testament to Roman ambition and organization. The roads were built with a vision of connecting the empire. These roads were more than just stone and gravel. They were a statement, a declaration of Rome's enduring legacy. They declared, "This is Rome," a civilization that built not just for the present, but for the ages to come. Before the Roman roads, there were paths. These paths, often mere dirt trails, were the lifelines of early human settlements. They connected villages, facilitated trade, and allowed for the movement of people and goods. However, they were far from perfect. These paths were often muddy and unreliable. Rain would turn them into quagmires, making travel difficult and sometimes impossible. In dry seasons, they became dusty and uneven, causing discomfort and delays. They were unsuitable for large-scale movement. Caravans and armies struggled to navigate these treacherous routes, and the lack of proper infrastructure hindered economic growth and military expeditions. The Romans saw the need for better roads. They understood that a robust road network was essential for the expansion and maintenance of their empire. Roman engineers and architects began to plan a revolutionary system of roads. They needed roads for their legions. The Roman military relied on swift and efficient movement to maintain control over vast territories. Well-constructed roads allowed legions to march quickly and respond to threats with unprecedented speed. They needed roads for trade. A reliable road network facilitated the movement of goods, boosting commerce and ensuring the steady flow of resources throughout the empire. Markets thrived, and merchants could reach distant regions with ease. This need birthed a revolution in road construction. Roman engineers developed advanced techniques and materials, laying the foundation for roads that would stand the test of time. The first major Roman road was the Via Appia. Known as the Queen of Roads, it was a monumental achievement in engineering and construction. It was built in 312 BC. This road marked the beginning of an era where infrastructure would play a crucial role in the rise of the Roman Empire. This road connected Rome to Capua, a major city in the south. It facilitated military movements and trade, linking the heart of the empire to its southern territories. The Via Appia was a marvel of its time. Its construction involved meticulous planning and the use of durable materials, ensuring its longevity. It was built to last. The road's foundation was made of large stones, topped with gravel and tightly packed sand, creating a surface that could withstand heavy use and harsh weather conditions. It was built for speed and efficiency. The straight design minimized travel time, and the smooth surface allowed for faster movement of troops and goods. The Via Appia set the standard for Roman roads. Its success inspired the construction of an extensive network of roads that spanned the entire empire. It inspired the construction of thousands of kilometers of roads. These roads connected cities, towns, and military outposts, creating a unified and efficient transportation system. These roads followed a similar design. They were built with the same principles of durability, straightness, and efficiency, ensuring consistency across the empire. They were straight, durable, and built to withstand the elements. The Roman roads became the backbone of the empire, facilitating communication, trade, and military operations. They were a testament to Roman ingenuity and foresight. The legacy of Roman road construction endures to this day, influencing modern infrastructure and reminding us of the empire's remarkable achievements. Roman roads were not built haphazardly. They were meticulously planned. The Romans understood that a well-planned road network was crucial for the expansion and maintenance of their vast empire. Every road was designed with a specific purpose in mind, whether it was for military, trade, or administrative purposes. Roman engineers were masters of their craft. They were highly skilled and knowledgeable, often drawing from centuries of accumulated engineering wisdom. Their expertise was not limited to just road construction, but extended to aqueducts, bridges, and buildings. They used surveying tools to plot the straightest routes. These tools, such as the groma and chorobates, allowed them to achieve remarkable precision. The straightness of Roman roads is legendary, and it was achieved through careful measurement and planning. They understood the importance of drainage and foundations. Proper drainage was essential to prevent water from damaging the road structure, and a solid foundation ensured the road's longevity. The Romans often incorporated sophisticated drainage systems to manage water flow. This knowledge allowed them to build roads that lasted for centuries. Many Roman roads are still in use today, a testament to their engineering prowess. These roads have withstood the test of time, enduring centuries of wear and tear. A typical Roman road was a layered masterpiece. Each layer had a specific function, contributing to the road's overall strength and durability. The construction process was methodical and precise. It began with a deep trench. This trench was carefully excavated to the required depth, ensuring a stable base for the road. This trench was filled with layers of rubble, gravel, and sand. Each layer was compacted to provide a solid foundation. The use of different materials helped to distribute the load and prevent settling. This foundation ensured stability and drainage. The Romans were meticulous in their approach, understanding that a well-built foundation was key to the road's longevity. Atop this foundation, large stone slabs were laid. These slabs were carefully cut and fitted together to create a smooth and durable surface. These slabs formed the road surface. The precision with which they were laid ensured a stable and even path for travelers. The Romans used locally sourced materials. This not only reduced transportation costs, but also ensured that the materials were well suited to the local environment. This made construction more efficient. The use of local materials and labor allowed the Romans to build their extensive road network quickly and effectively. It also meant that Roman roads blended into the landscape. The roads were designed to complement the natural terrain, minimizing environmental disruption. The construction of these roads was a monumental task. It required immense effort and coordination, often involving thousands of laborers working in unison. It involved thousands of laborers. These workers, often soldiers or slaves, toiled tirelessly to build the roads that would connect the empire. It required immense organization and resource management. The Romans excelled in logistics, ensuring that materials, labor, and tools were available when and where they were needed. The Roman Empire was vast and varied. It encompassed mountains, rivers, and valleys. Roman engineers adapted their road-building techniques to each terrain. They built bridges, tunnels, and viaducts. These structures overcame geographical obstacles. In mountainous regions, Roman roads often followed mountain passes. They featured retaining walls to prevent landslides. In areas with rivers and streams, the Romans built sturdy bridges. These bridges were often made of stone arches. These arches distributed weight efficiently. This allowed for longer spans. The Romans even built roads through swamps and marshes. They used piles of stones and timber to create stable foundations. This ingenuity allowed them to connect even the most remote corners of their empire. Roman roads had a profound impact on the empire. They facilitated trade and commerce. Goods and services could now move quickly and efficiently across vast distances. This led to economic growth and prosperity. Along these roads, new towns and cities emerged. These settlements served as trading hubs and rest stops for travelers. They flourished due to the constant flow of goods and people. The roads breathed life into the Roman economy. They fostered interconnectedness and cultural exchange. The Roman roads also played a crucial role in urban development. They allowed for the efficient transportation of food, building materials, and other essential goods. This facilitated the growth of large and complex urban centers. The roads were the arteries that pumped lifeblood into the heart of the Roman Empire. The Romans understood the importance of maintenance. They knew that their roads were vital to their empire's success. They established a system for regular upkeep and repairs. This ensured the longevity of their road network. Along the Roman roads, there were milestones. These milestones marked distances. They also indicated locations of repair stations. These stations housed workers and materials. These workers repaired any damage to the roads. They ensured smooth travel for Roman citizens and legions. This dedication to maintenance is a testament to Roman pragmatism. They knew that neglecting their infrastructure would be costly. Their proactive approach ensured that their roads continued to serve their purpose for centuries. The Romans were not just skilled builders, they were innovators. They developed new techniques and technologies to improve their road construction. They experimented with different materials and designs. They strived for efficiency and durability. One notable innovation was the use of concrete. Roman concrete was a revolutionary material. It was stronger and more durable than traditional building materials. The Romans used concrete to build bridges, aqueducts, and even sections of their roads. The Romans also developed sophisticated surveying tools. These tools allowed them to plan and build roads with remarkable accuracy. Their innovations in road building contributed significantly to the longevity and efficiency of their road network. The Roman Empire may be long gone, however, its legacy endures. This is especially true for Roman roads. Many of these roads still exist today. They serve as a testament to Roman engineering brilliance. They continue to inspire awe and wonder. Some Roman roads still serve as foundations for modern highways. They demonstrate the durability of Roman engineering. The principles of road construction, drainage, and foundations, pioneered by the Romans, are still relevant today. They form the basis of modern transportation infrastructure. The Roman roads are a reminder of a time when humans dared to dream big. They built structures that defied the limitations of their era. Their legacy continues to shape our world. It reminds us of the power of innovation, planning, and the enduring spirit of human ingenuity.